Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to install TikTok on SONY Xperia 10 Mark VII. Let's begin! So, first of all, we want to head into our Play Store. Note that if you do not have your Google account logged in onto your device, you won't be able to use Play Store. First, we want to go into the search bar and, well, actually we have TikTok suggested, but basically you want to start typing in TikTok and usually you should see it in the suggestion tabs. Now, most of the time you want to ignore whatever is going to appear in the sponsored tab. In our case, it's ChatGPT out of all things. So let's enter our TikTok. And also you want to make sure that this is the official TikTok published by TikTok PTE publisher. And then you want to simply hit install. You could also see that it had 1 billion downloads, which I think is quite telling. And if you have poor internet connection, you can always enable auto open when ready, which means that after the application finishes installing, it will open automatically. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.